You remember how I showed you how to do it?
No.
Like put enough on there, put some more on there. And then when you get it nice and wet, now put it on the one you need. Now sit it on there. And like, you know, count about 5 or 10. Nope, count to 10. Let it sit on there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And then I know in life we are accustomed to doing something real fast. We think it fast is better, but if we move too fast and work, we end up working harder than smarter. Polish remover works just fine. Let it sit on there for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you wipe it one swipe. Y'all see, I got my handy dandy mini nail care kit ready, and I had it to so that we could do her nails. Go like, when you're doing one nail, like, go back and forth on it. Go back and forth, yeah, like that. And make sure you get all sides of it. You don't want to see no shine. You want to see all dust. If it's dusty, you're doing good. If you see any part that ain't dusty, buff again. Buff till you dusty. Buff till you dusty. Buff to the dusty. Buff, 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 buff to the dusty. I don't know. I just made up a song. Ooh, while I got y'all attention right here, you know what I'm saying? Whether you pausing it to read what's right here, polishing tip, or you pausing it to practice while you are polishing your own nails. But listen, take the time, like this video. Hey, comment on it as well. Like, I work hard to create content. Y'all, please like, share, comment. You're too smart for your own good. Be quiet. You think you're smart, don't you?
Some occasions.
You think you're smart, or you know you're smart?
I know I'm smart.
Amen. Amen. Say I don't think nothing. I am smart. Say it.
I am smart.
Yeah! With your whole chest.
I'm smart.
Hold them out, girl. I'm taking a video. Just hold them out. I wasn't going to get your face unless you want it.
No.
Hey, girl! Hey, Ashley. Okay. You like them?
Yes.
Let me see.
I like the design.
Oh, let me see the design. Put your hand down, big and still, so I can zoom in on them. They cute. I like the crackle.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I like, yeah. Let me see this one.
Which one?
I don't know where your hand.
It's right here.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. We did your nails. We did your nails. Not just me. We did it. Because what part did you do?
The preparation part.
The who? Preparation. Nail prep. Nail prep. That's what you're trying to say. I got it. I got you, girl. I'll finish it. All right. Okay. Love you, girl.